你好，我係馮博士。知道馮師傅就今個月生日，所以咧喺度送2句詩俾佢，就係河水着意求佳境，自有奇逢應早春。其實如果人生需要行運，需要尋找一個奇逢，如果你識得馮師傅咧，就已經係行緊運。呢個奇逢你把握得到，可以改變你人生。OK， 喺度祝馮師傅生日快樂，事事順利，萬事如意，幫多啲人。OK，
馮師傅生日快樂，恭祝你身體健康，萬事如意，工作事事順利，令起日日都咁高，恭喜恭喜！
今日係馮震師傅生日，我祝佢生日快樂，身體健康，工作順利，樣樣都順風順水，大吉大利，恭喜恭喜
Hello， 馮師傅，祝你生日快樂，身體健康，心想事成，萬事如意，最緊要日日都開開心心，恭喜晒。
Hi Wilson, how are you? Happy birthday. I wish you happiness. Greetings from Turkey.
Happy birthday to Sifu Wilson Fong of the Lockyer Wing Association. It's a long time no see, brother. I can't wait to come to Hong Kong and see you one more time. I send you my best wishes. Take care. Sifu Tony Bacino here from Italy. Take care and see you in Hong Kong very soon.
祝馮道長生辰快樂，桃李滿門，福慧相爭，恭喜恭喜！
馮師傅祝你生日快樂，心想事成。
สวัสดีครับ馮震道長，祝你生日快樂，仙氣滿滿，身體健康。
Hello， 馮震大師，祝你生日快樂，身體健康，事事順利，越嚟越好。我係你嘅茶道老師廖子芳教授，恭喜恭喜恭喜！
恭喜恭喜！恭祝賓彩靈氣雌從宗師，國際堪輿大師馮震師傅生日快樂，恭喜恭喜！
Hi Wilson, happy birthday! I wish you a fantastic day from Germany.